So today, we're going to be installing a bunch of interior pieces for my car. It'll be a nice OEM upgrade. There are a bunch of Subaru parts, JDM parts. They're all like the black interior pieces. And the best armrest you could get for this car. So yeah, let's get to installing. Alright, so we're going to uninstall these. This one. This. I got this piece in black, and then I'm gonna have an armrest go here. I already did the doors, and that'll be it for today. I have a lot more parts coming in, so stay tuned in for that. It'll be fun. I should be having taillights. I have an oil cooler, radiator coming in also. I'm gonna have this thing ready for track. I can't wait. So yeah. Okay, so to take this piece, you just need to pry it from the back. If this is not working, I might get a flathead. Hold up. So you just need to pry from here. To me, I don't care. These pieces are gonna be replaced, so I don't care if they're ruined. But yeah, I just wrapped these originally, as you can tell. So here we have the new piece. It's all matte. It's like a matte black, satin black finish. I think it's so much better than the silver they had. Or like I said, you could wrap it, but over time you'll get like bubbles around. So you can always spray paint this to make it cheaper, but these pieces are actually really cheap. So if you want to get a new piece and then this one you can mess around with, you could always do that. So just gonna install this. You just literally just put this in. If I could figure out how to. You know, I realized I think I had the wrong piece. Oh no, just like this. What? Huh? Hello? Okay, see, just like that. It's so much cleaner. You don't even see it. I already did door handles. I was really eager. For those, you just put like a flathead here and just pry it out and just clip out. But yeah, I think that's so much cleaner. No silk. No, that's silver. Okay, so I'll do that side and then we'll attack this middle piece. Okay, so now we gotta figure out how to take these off. So first, we'll unscrew this. Okay, there goes that. This one you can just, I believe you just pry it up. Oh, I need 2 hands for that. Give me one. Okay, I got that pried up now. So all you need to do is, where's that thing? Yeah, you need to unclip this and then you can take off the whole thing, which we should do now. Okay, so once you get that unhooked, we have these 2 bolts here, and I believe if you take this off, there's these 2 bolts here, and I believe there's 2 screws here, and then this should just pry over to the side once you pull this. I will get back to you once I figure that shit out, because I have no clue what I'm doing right now. Okay, so I took out these 2 10mm bolts, these screws, and now I have to take off these screws. And I think I just pry this, I'll pull this and then pry this over to the side. I think that's how it works, but I'll show you once I figured out how to do that, and I'll do it to this side. Okay guys, I finally took off this piece, and let me tell you, that shit was annoying. So it's really weird. So there's this one tab here that's inserted into like this slit right here, and then you have these tabs. If it wants to focus, that was inserted like this, and then you have to pry that out, and then you have this one stub that's like in this notch, so you have to get all of these out first and then pry it out. So you have to, you're pulling on this and pulling on this, you're going to use a lot of force. It took me a good like solid 10 minutes just for that, and I had to do the other side still. But yeah, that was not fun. I'll get back to you when I take the other side out. Hey guys, one thing I learned, if you pop this shit out, it reveals the 2 screws, one here and then the other one's over here. I already took it out. And if you do that, it helps pull this back, which fucking A, will take this piece out easier. But yeah, oh my god, this thing's annoying. Just like that, everything's out. Okay, so to take these pieces out, there's just this one screw holding it. You just unscrew it and then take that out. I'll do that and then I'll show you guys the new piece. Okay, so I thought I'd let you see how it looks. It's all black. This is how the ugly silver was. So yeah, now let's go back to installing it. Let's go. Hey guys, just to make sure, so this is how it looks like. If you're gonna do this, make sure you unscrew these 2 bolts, these 2 screws, pop this piece out and get these 2 screws that's in here. So it's easier, you can just literally just take this back and lift it out of your way. So it's easier just to pry these out, which is a bitch if you try doing it without taking those screws out, which not much people on YouTube tell you to do, but you should do it. But yeah, this is how it looks. Let me fully put this back in so you have a better view of it. So it looks so much nicer. But yeah, you can see, better than those ugly silver ones. I don't know why they came like that. They should just come black. It'll be so much easier. Okay guys, so the next piece we're doing is the center console piece. So the shifter and the shift boot. So the shift trim, I don't know, whatever you call it. So this we're gonna have in black. So you have these 2 screws you have to unscrew, and then these other 4 screws for the shift boot. And then yeah. Actually, wait, no, I can leave this in here because I have a new button. See NOS, ejectocito, cuz yeah, it's peeling off. This should came black though. I don't like the silver, but yeah. We only need to take off the shift boot because we have new piece here, new buttons, and then black one. So yeah, we'll get to it. So here's the new shift trim piece, and then also the buttons, which it should have came with. Let's lock it up. So yeah, that's so much cleaner. Okay, now we just need to screw all these in and put it back together. I'll show you how it looks like after. See how clean it is now? It's all the black trims in. So much nicer. So I've bought a stock one, shift knob, stock shift knob also. This was also silver, I just wrapped it red. As you can see, peeling up. But yeah, let me get the new one and I'll show you guys how it looks on top. So here's the new shifter. Basically OEM, but just in black. Let's focus. Yeah, there we go. This is the new shifter. So much nicer. Look, everything's all black now. So much better than the silver. Okay, now that we're done with this, now we get to the fun part, the armrests, which I guess you all been wanting to wait for because this is the best armrest you can get for this car. So yeah, here we go. So now we got the armrests. This one I got is this sliding armrest OEM from Toyota. A lot of the other people would have like the one that covers, that opens and closes, which thing I think sucks because it goes like, it'll cover this part and it's not sturdy. I don't like it. This one's just nice sliding and you can still use your cup holders nicely, so that'll be nice. Let me get the stuff unpacked and then I'll show you guys how to install it. Okay, so the things came with templates which you need to cut out, and I guess insert here. I don't know how it works. There wasn't much instructions. There was well, technically there was no instructions. So I guess we'll figure this out together. I think that's how this shit goes. We'll figure this out. Okay. But yeah, let me get back to you once I know what I'm doing a little. So this is the sliding rail that it should be on, that we need to rivet in. So I had this first template in. I just want to see how it would look. So I guess this is where it somewhat sits, or stays. Which seems about right. Okay, so I think I had to unscrew these from these I think is the thing we'll be riveting onto the center console, and then we'll screw back on the rails. So yeah, let me do that first. Okay guys, so I got the rails set, or the frame for the rails set, not fully set but mocked up. As you can see, there's a template. These should line up with these holes. I recommend putting this and then lining the holes with that, so it should follow the curvature of this, like this here, because this template you need the edges of these. So yeah, once I tape that down, I'm gonna mark these holes, and then we'll start drilling in. Fun. Okay, so what I did is I taped everything down now. So yeah, I have everything taped down now, as you can see. So I'm just gonna make the mark where the holes I need to make, and then from there, I guess we rivet, which I've never done before, but we'll figure it out. Also, don't forget we need these 2 holes. I think that's for the cover for the armrest to help stay in place. But yeah, let's do that now. Now we drill away. Let's go. Okay, so once now you have everything set, just put your rivets in, and then we're just gonna use the rivet tool, clip these off, put your rail in, and then put the screws on. So I will do that. So I'll come back after when I finish doing that. Okay, so now I've got it all screwed. So see, this is sliding mechanism. So it works. It's pretty nice. I like it. You guys should do this instead of the folding one, because honestly, the folding one's a waste. It's a waste. It's not good. It's not good at all. But this one, highly recommend. So yeah, now let's put the cover piece, and then the actual cover. Alright. So next we have is this piece that goes over on top. There's these 2 tabs, where did I place those? Oh, right here. These 2 white tabs, which you need to get. You just slide them right in. Sure, do this the right way. Is this the right way? It's the other way. Nope, other way. Yep, see? Now, you just put it here. And press down. Okay, finally got the piece in. So now I can slide. Now you just take this piece, and I believe it just should clip right in. Yep, right there. See? Look how much nicer this OEM armrest than the other OEM you have. You could still. Where's that piece? So put this in here, put this in here. You have access to cup holders still. You need both, you move it up, see how much nicer it is. Yeah, I recommend getting this one. This time we're gonna install my Valenti taillights. Here I have my 2017 OEM taillights. I smoked the middle. I got this premium auto styling vinyl, or maybe you could see the heart vinyl, I think, on the sides, but yeah, let's change it up today. So here's the Valenti taillights I got. Let me show you how they look. Unbox it. So no clue what this is. all Japanese. Comes with a Valenti sticker. But yeah. More stuff. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here it is. There's the taillights in all its glory. Sheesh! 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 Yeah. Let me unwrap it so you guys have a better look. Here they are, the Valentis. Forgot which style this is, so I don't know, but I think this is cool. I like the white accent, less red. I don't have my red work wheels anymore. I have Volks now, so yeah. Got the Volks for the track. So we'll go and install this. You just have to pop these clips out here and then just screws, unhook the tabs for electricals, and that's it. So let me do that now, and I'll show you the resemblance between the 2017 and the Valentis. So Valentis, OEM's out. Make sure you clean under it. Okay, so next, I believe the Valentis you had to rewire to the wires. I'm gonna look up on the internet, but I'm pretty sure you have to, because I think these are for JDM cars. It's only 2 pins you had to remove and then switch them around, if I remember. I believe it should be there should be a full green one, and it might be this one. They're diagonal from each other. But yeah, let me do that now. So I don't think I need to wire it. I tested it out, everything works, but all the people I see that get Valentis had to rewire, so I'm not sure. Maybe I'm wrong. Someone comment down below, help me out. But everything works though, like taillights, all that, the sequentials, the brakes, the night lights. So yeah, let's see. So OEM Valentis. Let me put it down for you guys to see better. Yeah, I really think these are better. Oh, let me peel this off. Woo! Woo! Oh, tell me that doesn't look cool. That's so much better. Yeah, I'm gonna go install the other one. I'll be right back. Now we just gotta peel this off. Chee! There you go. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think it's so much better. Less red, more white. Smoke. Fits the car more. Yeah. Yeah, so comment down below what you think I should do next. I have an oil cooler coming in. I have a radiator. I think I'm gonna do brakes, brake fluid, and then probably go get a helmet and start tracking. So yeah, till next time, hope you like the install. Maybe I'll do more stuff exterior wise to make it look nicer too, but I like how it is. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Till next time.